So that's writing credits. But I will say that it was her voice that did it. And this, in fact, is one of the quotes that makes me, gives me evidence for that. Somerset Maugham, a very, very famous writer in his own time, a novelist, so much better than a movie writer, much more literate and important. And he recognized right away she had this gift for finding something to laugh at in the bitterest tragedies of the human animal. And that is exactly what this story is, the bitterest tragedy of life, that someone you love cannot deal with the fact that you are having more success or luck in life than they are. And that is the saddest thing, or one of the saddest experiences that they could imagine. So I think that's important for us to keep in mind when we think about her voice and how it appears in this particular piece. I love her, as we said, her wittiness is there. She was talking about a time when the Motion Picture Academy was trying to create a union for writers. And this is what she had to say about having them watch, was like trying to get laid in your mother's house. Somebody was always in the parlor watching. And you couldn't trust them, obviously. So this wit and this sadness, I think very interestingly, connects inside this story.